In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello templates. Start by opening Trello and heading to your boards view. This is the home base for everything you manage in Trello and the easiest place to spin up something new from a template. At the top of the page, click Create. A small menu appears with options for making boards from scratch, but we want to speed things up. Choose Start with a template. This takes you to Trello's template experience where you can get a ready-made board structure with lists, example cards, and helpful automation already wired in. You'll first see top templates, which are popular, well-rated options. Take a moment to skim the thumbnails and titles. The previews give you a sense of the layout before you commit. To go deeper, click Explore Templates. This opens the full gallery so you can browse by category, which is helpful if you're not sure what to search for yet. From here, you can browse business templates for project tracking, roadmaps and operations, or switch to design for creative workflows such as asset reviews and design sprints. Categories make it easy to narrow down to boards that match your use case. If you know what you need, use the search bar to look it up, then click the template that fits. On each template page, you'll find a description, a preview of lists and example cards, and often tips from the creator on how to run the workflow. You can also share the template page with teammates so everyone can review it before you copy it into your workspace. Sharing the page is handy for getting agreement on the structure. When you're ready, click Use Template. Trello will prompt you to set up the new board. Type in a clear descriptive title so teammates can find it later. Short naming conventions like adding a team tag or quarter can save time down the road. Choose the workspace where the board should live. Pick the place where the people who will use the board already collaborate and be mindful of access and plan limits. Finally, click Create. Trello will generate your new board from the template and you're set. The structure, lists, and sample cards are there to guide you, and you can start adapting them to your needs at your own pace. That's all there is to it. Templates help you skip the blank page stage and get moving fast.